suspension on the Raptor and VertiMax allow me to do different things on it that I'm not able to do with other machines.
We really hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like to see some more from VertiMax, subscribe to this YouTube channel as we're constantly adding new videos. Here are a couple that you might like. Don't forget to download the VertiMax app on your phone or your desktop. There you can find some complete training programs and additional training videos. Good luck with your training.